Hi, my name is Sean. I am a middle school science teacher, and I wanted to share some benefits of using project-based learning in the science classroom to help build student collaboration skills, collaborative skills. One of those benefits would be the ability to work on a team with others. This comes with a couple of different kind of offshoot benefits as well. So, working on a team is not simply a bunch of people doing the same thing at the same time. It's more dividing people into areas of specialty. This could be, implemented well if the science teacher grouped students into different functions, jobs that need to be completed. Maybe somebody handles the microscope, maybe somebody is the presenter, maybe somebody is the content expert. Teams also help build student accountability where they know that their work impacts the success of other people on their team. They have the ability to communicate with each other on their own level. I've always noticed after many years of science teaching, teaching in general, is that students can always explain things better to each other than I, as the adult, can explain things to them. They just have a common language. They're of the same age group, so that usually makes sense. Also, with accountability comes the idea that, we've seen student groups, or maybe we've been a part of a group where somebody's maybe not pulling their weight, and sometimes that might not just be that the person doesn't want to help, they may not know how to help, they may not be confident in their skills, they may not know how to share that they're struggling with somebody. That's a soft skill that's definitely worthy of growing and building, because in the professional world, the real world setting, no matter where we end up, if it's in the field of education or science or really any line of work that I can think of, you have to be able to communicate with other people. You have to be able to tell people if you don't understand something, you're not going to be able to meet your deadlines, you need support in some way. And I feel like project-based learning really helps students build all of those skills, both being a good science student and also kind of being a good worker that would help them in the real world outside of the educational setting.